Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am sharing with you some beautiful garage pics. Very beautiful and very comfortable to see this. It includes white and off-white, yellow and some beautiful colors garage pics and very beautiful and wood gate and wood door and very beautiful roof and floor and some greenery and wooded door and white and black in colors combination door garage and very beautiful and see the sea very beautiful and very happy moment. I hope you like it, garage pics, and please don't forget to leave subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to leave share my video and subscribe my channel and comment to my videos. It's very beautiful garage pics and very comfortable and thanks for watching to my videos and I hope you like it my videos. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.